Imagine being able to control your entire network with a single click. That's the power of Software Defined Networking, or SDN. SDN is a new approach to networking that separates the control plane from the data plane. The control plane is like the brain of the network. It decides where traffic should go. The data plane, on the other hand, is like the muscles. It actually moves the traffic. In traditional networks, the control plane and data plane are tightly coupled, making networks complex and difficult to manage. SDN changes all that. With SDN, the control plane is implemented in software. This software can run on a centralized controller, which has a global view of the network. This makes it easy to automate network tasks and respond to changes in real time. SDN is like having a conductor for your network orchestra. It brings harmony and simplifies everything. SDN offers a number of advantages over traditional networking. First off, SDN makes networks more agile. You can easily reconfigure your network to meet changing business needs. It also makes networks more scalable, allowing you to add new devices and services without having to redesign your network. Security is another area where SDN shines. SDN can be used to create more secure networks. With SDN, you can implement security policies at the network level, making it more difficult for attackers to compromise your network. SDN also simplifies network management. You can manage your entire network from a single pane of glass, making it easier to troubleshoot problems, optimize performance, and reduce costs. SDN is becoming increasingly popular, with many organizations adopting it to improve their network operations. Cisco ACI, or Application-Centric Infrastructure, is a software-defined networking solution designed for data centers and cloud environments. Cisco ACI provides a centralized platform for managing the entire network. It takes a holistic approach to networking, considering the needs of applications when making decisions about how to forward traffic. This ensures that applications have the resources they need to perform optimally. With Cisco ACI, you can define policies that govern how applications communicate with each other. These policies are applied consistently across the entire network, making it easy to secure your applications and protect them from attack. Cisco ACI is a comprehensive SDN solution, offering a wide range of features and benefits for data centers and cloud environments. Section 4. Inside Cisco ACI Structure and Components. Cisco ACI is built on a spine leaf architecture. The spine is the backbone of the network. It provides high-speed connectivity between the leaves. The leaves are where the devices connect to the network. The Cisco Application Policy Infrastructure Controller, or APIC, is the brain of Cisco ACI. It's a centralized controller that manages the entire fabric. The APIC provides a single pane of glass for managing all aspects of the network. Cisco ACI uses a declarative policy model. This means that you tell the network what you want to achieve, and the network figures out how to do it. This makes it easy to implement complex network policies. Cisco ACI's structure and components work together to create a robust and flexible SDN solution. Section 5. Cisco ACI, Simplifying and Enhancing Network Management. Cisco ACI simplifies network management in several ways. It provides a centralized point of control for the entire network. It also automates many network tasks, such as provisioning and configuration. Cisco ACI also enhances network visibility. Cisco ACI provides real-time visibility into network activity. This allows you to quickly identify and troubleshoot problems. Cisco ACI helps you improve security. Cisco ACI provides a number of security features such as microsegmentation and policy-based security. Cisco ACI is a powerful SDN solution that can help you transform your data center network. It offers a number of benefits, including simplified management, enhanced visibility, and improved security.